out with my buddy AJ here with probably one of the nicest Golf Rs I've actually genuinely seen, probably within the car scene anyway. So I'm going to ask you a question that I don't really get to ask a lot of people. So what made you buy the Golf R compared to obviously the S3 and obviously the Cooper and the Cooper R and all that good stuff?
It's the arguments. For me, it was, I never wanted the hatchback S3. I saw the saloon, and I always wanted the saloon version of the S3. Yeah. But there was about 23, 24 grand at the time, and then I could get this, which is lighter, same engine, for 4 grand less.
Yeah, because the Golf Rs are lighter than the S3, aren't they?
Yeah. So only by a small bit, but obviously a small bit. You talk about 70 or so kilos.
You know, the weird thing is about the S3s, the prices are going through the roof. But what's the current mod at the moment, and what are you running? What's happening? Obviously, we'll go to the exterior a bit later on down the line. But what are you running in terms of engine-wise?
Got the ram air intake pipes.
Yeah.
What's done? The intercooler's changed.
Yeah. You know, a lot of Golf Rs, they're very tinny. Yeah. This is quite deep. I've noticed very, very deep actually. I love it.
Try to finish talking about the rolling launch.
Yeah, go on, do the rolling launch. Go on, ready? I can't believe this rolling launch. So I was going to go on obviously the mods and stuff. So you're currently running an uprated IS38 turbo, so all the internals of the current turbo is uprated, isn't it?
Yeah, so
the actuator
just the housing is the same as the IS or LS, whatever they call it, 38.
And what's it currently running? 410?
410 with 432 foot-pounds of torque.
That's quite a lot actually. That's a lot.
So literally if there's any space, I'll do a quick pull. Not even with launch, just literally from standing still, just foot on the floor.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice actually. Because I've noticed, even though, you know what, as much as a lot of people think that, you know, there is still quite a lot of lag from the beginning anyway. As soon as you hit about 3,000 RPM, you're loving it. You're absolutely loving it.
When I put the intercooler, because the intercooler got changed as well, so I put an AirTech intercooler in. Yeah. The big boost pipe kit.
You can hear it as well. It does sound nice, actually.
With the ram air and the turbo elbow, so everything coming up from there. But when the intercooler got changed, the lag was ridiculous before it got mapped.
Oh, okay.
And then took it to RTech. Well, I took it to RTech and they mapped it, and then
bloody hell. Wasn't it?
Yeah, they mapped it, and then the turbo blew up.
Oh god.
So
well, that's not a nice look. RTech, if you're watching, I'm sorry.
So then I literally left it. The turbo went, and then that's why obviously I got the upgraded turbo. Yeah. Stage 2 with them, and then lowering springs, H&Rs.
Yes, yeah. What's happening with the wheels then? What's the wheels about? Because I haven't seen a Golf R with these wheels yet.
I was trying to get these wheels for 4 months.
Yeah, I haven't seen a lot of them actually.
The Ken block rotor forms. Yeah. I don't know. There's something about 6-spoke wheels. Like I grew up on the Fast and Furious franchise, so
they're lovely. They're lovely, man. I like them.
And so I saw these, and then I didn't do the 5x112s.
Oh, okay.
So I had to get 5 114/30s and run wobble bolts with them.
You know what? They fit nicely. They look nice. It looks neat. Okay.
No spaces as well.
You got no spaces?
No spaces.
I thought you had spaces actually. I actually thought you had spaces.
That's just how they are. And the only other thing I didn't mention, the exhaust. Yeah. That I put on is a 4-inch track slag decat and downpipe. Yeah. And then a 3.5-inch X-Force catback. Which is controlled by your phone here, and you've got so it's just fobbers all over. I've got 2 fobs, and then there's an app here, so it's got closed. If I press and hold that, I can change. Oh, you go. Yeah. But if I press and hold it, I can have any percentage. Oh, so it adjusts how much the valve's open? Yeah. Oh. So if I do. I wish mine did that, but mine doesn't do that much, I think. Now it's there you go. Yeah, you can tell. You can definitely tell. And then 25. That's so sick. And then closed all together. But if I press and hold these ones, I can choose the percentage. Oh, that's wicked. So you can adjust it even like 25, 26, 27. Anything between 0 to 100 it's got loads of different stuff. Like there's matrix mode, so if I set it up,
that's sick. We've just put
below an RPM.
Blast. Can you do that?
Yeah, no, but it automatically opens. So it's closed at the moment. But if I go over,
it automatically opens. Yeah, okay, right. Because obviously the airflow and everything, you don't want to close the valves while you put export, do you?
And then the best thing about it is it's got geo mode as well. So if I set it to say when I'm within a mile of my house to close the valves, because obviously you don't want it doing this the whole time, it'll close the valves automatically when I'm within a certain distance.
That's so sick.
Wherever I set it.
That is so sick. I might have to get my hands on one of these. You know that? It's clever. It's a clever piece of technology, 100%. And it sounds nice as well. I think it sounds lovely.
The deeper tone.
So obviously you've got a lot of carbon going on as well. The outside. That was the first thing I noticed when you pulled up.
A little bit.
What's happening with that? So you've got the front splitter. I thought it was a Maxton's full kit, but it isn't.
No, I bought that's the third one I've had. So I bought it off eBay because I drove into a gate when it was snowing when I was being stupid and messing about in the car. So the first one got broken. The second one came off on the motorway.
Yeah.
And then the third one, this is the one that's been on the car the longest. So that's carbon fibre, obviously, because the first two times I didn't get a real carbon fibre one, so I literally just got carbon fibre wrapped.
It does look very nice.
And then I've got the lower grill inserts.
Oh yeah, the front,
those are carbon fibre. The actual grill itself underneath the bonnet's carbon fibre.
Nice.
The badge is carbon fibre. Front and back wing mirrors carbon fibre.
There's quite a lot of carbon going on.
Yeah. Spoiler, even diffuser, and even small things like the R badge on the back and the Volkswagen badge on the back.
It's neat. It's neat. Definitely neat. So I'm going to ask you, of course, before we get onto the 0 to 60, future plans. Are you going to keep it as a stage 2, or are you going to go stage 3? Or are you going to sell it, or what's on the right here actually?
Turn right.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. What are you thinking? Going stage 3 next, or what?
I'm pretty much finished with it now, to be honest.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah. So now I'm just gonna look at enjoying it really, and maybe wrap it in the winter. But I always say I want to wrap it, and then I wash it, and then I wash the car and it comes up. So like the blue on these match, it comes up so nice.
Trust me, keep it. Bruv, you know what? The blue is so nice.
And everyone always says like, oh, your cars looks different to all the other Golf R's, even though they're all blue.
Yeah, as soon as you start touching some exterior mods, it completely transforms the car. Completely. Right, so we're going to finish off with the 0 to 60. Before we do that, what do you reckon the figures are going to be? Because obviously you only picked the car up yesterday.
Yeah, so I haven't done it since it's been mapped, so I haven't even...
Have you done it before?
Before I did, and I'd done 3.9, I think. It should still be in here.
Cool. Should be. Obviously now it's stage 2. Now it should be interesting to see what the 0 to 60 is like.
Yeah, no, I had it on here before because I tried to time it on the button, but obviously it's not the same. I think
it won't be the same as the draggy.
So I think I've done about 3.9, but that's with me trying to press the button, so hopefully it'll be a bit quicker.
Whenever you're ready, really. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, of course. Please check out AJ's Instagram, all the links in my bio.